Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today in this video, we are going to be making something super tasty. We're gonna be using chicken, coconut, and curry. So I guess we'll call this a chicken coconut curry recipe. So let me show you all the ingredients that we need. To make this recipe is pretty simple. There's not a whole lot of ingredients. We're going to be using 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. We're also going to be using an onion and 3 garlic cloves. We're going to use 2 different types of tomatoes. This I've got pureed tomatoes, and then this one is a can of chopped tomatoes. We're going to be using black pepper, curry powder, and salt. I have here a santan calapa, which this is coconut cream, and I'll put a link in the description so that you can buy this. This is a thick part of the coconut. I'm going to use a little bit of olive oil to cook our meat with, and then I have some water on hand to use as well. All right, first we want to get our chicken ready. So we want to cut it into chunks, and then also at the same time cut off any bad pieces or extra pieces of fat that you don't want to use. Got all of our chicken cut up. All right, now we want to season our chicken with salt and pepper, and be pretty generous with your salt and your pepper. All right, now we're gonna set our chicken aside. Okay, we also want to get our onion ready. So we're going to peel our onion, and then we're gonna slice it into thin strips. We also want to get our garlic ready, so we're going to peel it, then we're going to crush it, and I'm just going to use my thing that I have here. There we go. Do that with all 3 of them. Let's measure out our curry powder. We're going to do 2 tablespoons, and we're going to mix that together with 1.5 tablespoons of oil. And I'm using olive oil here, but that's just because that's what I have. You don't have to use olive oil. Let's mix that together. I haven't ever been to India, but I've eaten India food in Malaysia, and so every time I think of curry, I think of Malaysia. Now let's heat our pan up on medium heat, and let's put our curry mixture onto our skillet. So let this heat for about a minute. Now we're gonna add all of our onions and our garlic. Add all of that to our curry. Cook this for about another minute. Okay, let's add our chicken now. Stir this around, making sure to coat all your chicken. We're gonna cook until the chicken isn't pink inside anymore, maybe about 7 to 10 minutes. Go ahead and turn the heat down as well so that it doesn't burn. So, sorry guys, I forgot to hit record, and so I've already added our coconut cream to the chicken. But I also told you that you want to make sure your chicken is cooked real good before you add the coconut. And so in order to do that, you can just take a piece of your chicken and slice it open and look inside. And if it's white, then it's great. Go ahead and start adding all your other ingredients. So ours cooked for about 8 minutes. And now I've added the coconut cream. I'm also going to add now the tomato puree. Mix this in there. Lastly, we're going to add our diced tomatoes. Now we're going to turn our heat down to low. We're gonna let this simmer for about 30 minutes, but come back and stir it occasionally. We're ready to try it. I think everybody has mixed emotions because it's just brown. It's just like a pile of brownness. Marty says it looks like what?
Po. Alright, let's try it.
But I bet it tastes delicious.
Oh, yeah, it does. Sure. It smells good.
It smells good.
Yeah.
It smells amazing.
Yeah.
It's creamy.
So good, guys.
It has a little curry flavor in it.
I think it would be good to put it over rice as well. Yeah. And then If you had something green on top, it wouldn't look so weird of a color, or even some other vegetables. Thanks for watching again today. We hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Give us a thumbs up, please. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. We hope you guys have a great day.
Keep smiling!